Masking. Yes. So what are the purpose of masking and how we are going to use? So today's editing part. From today, we are going to start our advanced class. So half part in last class, we have seen the basic masking, how to apply and everything. Now, what today's topic is masking, but in advance. So this is one image. It is very high quality image. So I want this image should be black and white. Okay. So, and only her drapery I want to show in color. And everything background and her skin tone and everything I want in black. So how we are going to use by using masking. Okay. So we'll take a new image. As I told you, shortcut is Control J. Okay. So I'm deleting one layer. Yeah. Okay. Control J. I'm doing. So it's a bounding box. Now, how we will do black and white. So, what I will do, I'll do my background layer. I'll go to image, adjustment. Before we used to do desaturate. Okay. So, if I did desaturate, it is in process. See, 1 second. See, I did desaturate, my image became black and white. But problem is we can't edit so much in desaturate. Okay. So there is one more option. I'm doing undo. I'm on my background layer. Again, I'll go to image adjustment layer. And here you will see black and white. Okay. One panel will open over here. Yes. So here it will ask uh, what color you want, what color you don't want. You can see my cursor over here. So this thing I want bright, this blue, this lady. Okay, you can see my cursor. There is a dropper. So what I am doing, I'm increasing this little bit. Okay, like yeah, 115. Then this red color is okay, little bit bright. I'll do yeah, perfectly fine. Okay, now what I'm doing okay. Now I'm hiding this image. So you can see this image is black and white. Now what we will do, we will apply mask. Now what is happening if I choose mask? I have taken a masking. Oh, sorry. Control Z. I'll go to upper layer. I'm applying mask. My windows is white. I want this image should be black completely. So there is one more method. Please note down this shortcut. You will press Alt and you will press masking. See what it did. My original image is this. My background image is black and white, which we have done by adjustment panel. My copy image, you will see over here, it is a colorful. And this is my masking. Okay. Now, what I did, I pressed Alt button and I pressed to mask. So what happened? My window is black. In last class, we have seen what white works and what if you want masking should be open, then we use white color. If you want masking should be not visible, then we do black color. And masking is mostly used in grayscale tone. Okay. So now what I will do, I'll take a brush. I'm zooming my image. Okay. Always work on zoom. Okay. I'm increasing my brush panel. I'm taking brush little bit. I'm doing my brush like this. And now I'm starting painting. See, my this window is visible because I have choose white color. Okay, and shortcut as I told you, if you want to do black, press X simultaneously. You can do. Okay, Just I'll do fast this thing, then we will go for finishing work. How we can do fine work, I will show you. Just visible this drapery, then we'll move to fine work. Then as per need, you do brush small or bigger as per your need. And you know how we do brush small and big. So you can see over here, okay, this panel. I'll do thumb panel big, panel option. I'm doing my thumb panel big. Okay. So now over you can see here. My image is this. This is my black and white image. Right now I'm working on my mask. So my panel is on mask button. Okay. I want this drapery black and white as per your need. Just do first visible the thing which you want. I want this lehenga should be visible. So I'm doing finishing. We will do later on. Just how much you can do visible. Just do it. Okay. I'm doing my brush small like this. Okay. I'll go to this panel also. Don't worry about finishing. We will do. You can select also. There are two ways. I'm doing control Z. There are two things. You can take selection and you know how to do selection. There are many selection tools, crop tool, quick selection tool, sorry, crop tool I'm saying. Quick selection tool is there. Then lasso tool. Those are your selection tool. Okay. So like this, I'm doing visible. Don't worry about finishing. We will do it. Right now, just the drapery. I'm on white masking. It is visible. Huh? Which things I want visible? My masking is working on that. I'm doing my brush. Small, big, as per your need. Huh? You can do. Okay, like this. Now we'll go her bindi also. Zoom it. It is high quality image. I'm doing my brush size small, like this. More small, little bit big. Okay, like this I'm doing. Okay, like this we did. Now you can see. Leave it about your finishing part, which we are going to do later on. Just I will show you. Once again, like this. See, what was my purpose? So this how you edit the image and this how you do masking. Okay, whenever client want this type of images for anything, if you are making your brochure designing or you're making your menu card designing or big banners, so this kind of things we use generally in those things. Okay, now I'm zooming in, and now I'm pressing X button. So what is happening? I press my X button. Black one has came over here. I'm doing a little bit big of my brush because I want skin tone. It's black. Okay. Again, I'm pressing X. White has visible. I'm doing my brush size small, and over here it's visible. So I'm pressing X. Whenever I say X, just see over here. Okay. White is visible and black is not visible. I'm pressing X again. I'm pressing X. Yes. Like this. Little bit I'm doing my brush. Like very smoothly and sharply you have to do. Okay. Now I'm doing my brush size small. I'm little bit zooming in her nails. Okay. I'll press X. I want her nails should be visible. So see, you can see. Okay. Like this we are doing visible. X. Again pressing X. You find over here. This is visible. We want visible. Okay. This much is visible over here. Right. Then I'm pressing X button. I'm taking my cursor over here. Again X. Again X. Okay. Mouse size as per your need, as I told you before. Again I'm pressing X. Okay. Now I'm pressing X. You can see the things, right? Now over here, always check your hardness first. Hardness is your okay. Now do your flow as I told you, import some flow. Okay. So what is happening? See how smoothly it is giving me. See her hair. Okay. Smooth touch, very smooth touch. Okay. Like this. Okay. So I have done my flow. Now I'm moving over here. Again here. When I did my smooth flow, like flow 14% when I came to hair, because I don't want that should be disturbed and look artificial. I want very natural flow. So like this you have to do. So you have to check out. Okay. Now my hair finishing is almost done. Yeah, over here. There. So I'm doing my brush size small here. Like this I'm doing. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Now I'm increasing my flow size to 100%. I'm coming over here. I'm increasing my brush size like this. So see, again I'm pressing X. So like this you have to work. Okay. I'm pressing X. Again I'm pressing X. Pressing X. I'm doing my brush size small. Okay. Again I'm pressing X button. Again I'm pressing X over here. It's see my flow is 100%. So how it's showing. Okay. So later on we will do that. Again I'm pressing X over here. Again I'm pressing X like this. Here also. Yes. Very smoothly, nicely we have to do. Okay, I'm zooming out. Over here it's there. Okay, see. Over here it is there. Like this I'm doing. See. I'm pressing X again. Then I'm pressing X. Whenever I say X, please look here. What is happening and what is not happening over here. Please have a look there. Okay. Little bit here. I'm pressing X button like this. Again I'm pressing X. So image, I'll do flow little bit down like 22% over here and not. Yes, done. X I'm pressing. Perfect. I'm increasing my flow button to 100%. Now you can see. Okay. So this is my original layer, which we have done black and white. This is my copy layer, the image you will see. And this is my masking. So like this masking is used, you can see. I want her directly also over here, so which we have done bright. If you want, you can do it. If you don't want, you can't. It's up to you. I'm pressing X because I want this layer visible. Oops, why it's not happening? Because I'm on my layer, I'm not on masking. Okay, so that's why it's not happening. See, okay, X. Why it's not happening? Anyone can say me? Because we have increased her saturation. That's why this is not happening. I'm on her flow button like this, X. Okay, so our main reason was this part, not this, because background image was our just black and white. Okay, so this was the purpose to show you. So from today we are learning all the advanced class. Please, today's homework will be you have to edit one image using masking. Uh, whichever image you want, you can take. It's not like that key image. I'm sharing the image. I'll share the link in the group. Okay. Then okay, I'll share the link and then we will move ahead today. So now we will look. I have taken a new image. Okay, this image I have taken, and my image is locked. I'm using on bio. Hope you understand this masking panel. Okay, now move ahead. You will see below brush tool. There is history brush tool panel and art history brush tool panel. So what is the purpose of history brush tool? And some panels here we are going to learn. So in window panel, I will come. There is a history. Okay. There is a history brush. This is your panel. Okay. I'll move this image a little bit over here. This is your history brush panel. So I have taken brush. I'm not taking a new layer or new object. I'm just working on my background layer over here. Okay. I'm doing brush size big and X. I'm changing color. I'm taking this green color. Okay. What I have painted some zigzag lines like this. I have painted. Okay. See. So it is showing over here all your history panel. So I'll do undo, 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 undo. See, here are undo. Again, I'll do undo, undo, undo. It will not show you. Okay. For example, I'm taking this lines. So what is the purpose? This is very small tool. Just there is tool. This is not use, but tool is there. So I'm explaining you. This is also see like this I have done. So over here some effects, small things are there which I am explaining. So see, I'm doing undo. Again, it's happened. So there are many undo. If I'll close like this, your history will show you how much you have done, how much times you are doing undo, and how much things you have done on one layer. Okay. So if I'll come, for example, if I'll press Control Shift, if I'll press Control Shift Alt, it will show you like this. History panel. I'm clicking on this panel, okay, like this, like this, like this, like this. See, my histories is coming like this, like this, like this, and like this, whichever I have used in history. What is this? If I click over here, everything will be disabled. Okay, this is my history brush tool. Okay, over you will come here. For example, I'm doing my brush size big. Like this, I have done something. Okay, and I want this panel permanently. Okay, I have worked and I want this panel permanent. So if I'll click over here, it will gone. Okay, I'll do undo again. So over here you will see a camera box. Okay, so over create a new snapshot. Okay, if I'll click over here, it will show me a new snapshot. For example, if I'll do like this now, if I'll paint, it will go. But if I want to paint over here, see, this is snap one, and this is my capturing, this is my original image. Okay, like this. And this is my snap channel. If I want this pattern should be permanently, it will be there. If I'll click over here, it will be not there. So how many times you will do undo, undo, undo? So one more thing is there, you will come to file. Okay, you will come to preferences. You come to edit button. Here you will see there is preferences, presets, remotes, perspective wrap. 1 second. So over here you will see the one more panel of history, and this button is off. If I'll click over here, it will duplicate all the status. Okay. So if you want, you can do. If you don't want, it's depend on you what you're creating. Again and again, I'm using same word. What you are creating. Okay. Again and again, I'm saying you what you are using as per that, it will be there. Okay. So I'm cutting this panel. If I'll come to edit button, you will see preferences. Preferences mean you will go to performance. So what happened? Many students ask, ma'am, how many times we can do undo? Okay, 2 times, 3 times. 1 second, it is loading. So how many times we can do undo, undo thing? Okay. So 1 second, laptop is slow. It's opening. Over here, you will see a snap. Okay. This is my original image. Yeah, perfect. The panel has there. Okay. So you will see over here. I hope you can see this panel. So history status. So here by default it's 50. So 50 times you can do undo. So you are creating For example, menu card or big banners. You're creating a book, a cartoon book for children. You're making book for someone. So that time we use undo. No, we don't want. So 50 times you can do. Don't keep 1,000, because here it will ask your RAM, how much you have RAM, how much you have space, and everything. So I'll prefer keep it 50 by default. It is easy. Okay, here also you can click and you can do 50, enter. Okay, if you press enter, the thing will get okay. So again, I'm coming to preferences and performance, and you will open that panel. Okay, this panel. Over here are some presets. For example, there are web UI design. To cache level, it will ask what is cache level. It will do undo 2 times or 3 times. Then by default, photos and default and photos. We generally keep on default and photos. U pixel dimension. So there are presets like this. Okay, and here there are ramp, how much many ramp is remaining and everything. It will show your memory status. It will show you in this thing. So I'm doing cancel over here. So this is very small too. History panel will come, history panel, and like this it will show you what is the thing. And I'm doing undo this image. Okay, and no, I don't want this. Okay, I came to my this history panel. This is your Snapchat or snapshot create. And over here, you will come to history brush tool. Okay. So it is like this only. See how many times I want to paint, because I have not selected anything. Okay. If I'm selecting this and I'm doing this, it is like this only. Okay. It will create your history, but it will work like brush, but depends what you are using. Okay, like this. If you want to delete, drag and delete, and then see. If you will click, double click over here, you want to change the color, you can change the color also. Okay, like this you can change the color. It will show you how many times you are using your brush. Okay, how many times you are using your brush panel. Because why it's not showing, because our layer is like this. If I'll create over here, so see, it will show you here how it is working. If I'll close this image, see, it will show you what we are doing exactly. Okay, like this it will show. I'm deleting this, and history will create here. Layer validity, history brush tool, layer validity, history brush tool. It will show you here. Okay, then if you'll come to art history brush tool, what is the purpose of art history brush tool? So it will merge your down one layer. See, generally it used in painting backgrounds. See, like this it's happening very smoothly. I am doing over here. For example, I'm changing mode of this color. You saturation. You can change the mode of color also. Okay, if I'm taking lighten mode. So see, like this it will show. You can see the difference. It will show, and history will create over here like this. If you don't want, you just go and click this button. Okay, so this is the history brush panel tool. Okay, so like this it will show you. Okay, so one more time I'm showing you like this. See, my mode is lighten. Okay, okay, so I'm coming on my normal layer, normal mode. I came to my normal mode. you can see the difference. So it is happening. See, like this I want, like this, like this. It will merge you down wala layer. Okay, this layer. Now, if I press Control Shift Z, Control Shift Z, you just observe this thing. Control Shift Z, Control Shift Z. It will show your layer panel. For example, now I'm pressing, I have pressed down wala layer. Now I'm pressing Control Shift Z, Control Shift Z, Control Shift Z. It is not showing. If I'll press Control Alt Z, it will come all my history. If you want your history, press Control Alt Z. If you don't want your history, then Control Shift Z. Okay, note down the shortcuts. If you want your history, Control Alt Z, undo. If you don't want your history, then Shift Control Z. Write down the shortcuts. Okay, so you can use this thing in your paintings. Those who want, yeah. Sometimes I use while creating some background. If my client want, for example, if I'm making some design for cafe, fancy cafe, and I want painting wala thing, then I use generally this brush, art history brush tool. It's here below the brush tool. There is history brush tool and art history brush tool. So if those are interested in painting, those who like paintings and background, so they can use this thing. So this was the purpose of history art brush tool. Okay, so this was just small tool. So I have shown you. Okay, so today we'll create some uh, design. For example, today we'll create some poster for some client. Okay, so how we will create a poster, which poster we want. So yes, today just we will play with backgrounds and everything. Okay, so I have taken a new file. It's loading, guys. Wait for 2 minutes. So we will use the, we'll create a poster. Okay, cancel. I want this. So I came new. It's loading. Okay, yeah. So I want 1,000 500. I'm changing my mode to pixel. Here also I'm changing into pixel. RGB color, my resolution will be always keep 72 or 300. So, okay, my background is white and I'm pressing OK. So it's created, but I don't want this. We'll do opposite. Okay. Like this we will do. It's same decent. I don't want this centimeter. We'll save this. Okay. Oh, 1 second. It's loading. Yeah, it's pixel. It's pixel inches we want. We don't want pixel centimeter. So I want 1,000 by 1,000 will give. Resolution will be 300. Okay, and here we are giving name poster. Okay, so till now what we have used. So I'm canceling this. Okay, so this image is there. Now how we will create. So till now what we have used, how many tools and panels, what we have learned. With the help of that tool only, I'm going to teach you. Okay, so I'm taking a new layer. Always I told you work on new layer. I have taken a new layer. Now what I am taking, hmm, I am taking some dark color over here. Okay, I'm pressing color. Okay, all backspace I have pressed. So this color has fit. Now what I want some outlines. So how we will create some outlines. So I'll press this. I want rectangular. I want my fill. 1 second. Cancel. Okay. So now what I want, okay, like this. I'm pressing shift button. So it will give me a proper square. Okay. We'll shift afterwards. Okay. Now here, what we will do. Okay. Yeah. I don't want fill. So what I am going to do, I'll open this fill panel. I'll do none. Okay. Then I want, okay, wait, this is too much. So I'll take 4. My line, which pattern you want. So I want plain line out. Okay. And color, I want, I'll select color from here. So this is our, so I will go for light color. I'm giving an example. Okay. So no, it is not looking that appropriate. You have to think as per your design purpose. Okay. Then we'll go to some goldenish hem. Okay. Like this. Okay, here. I want fresh. You can play with colors. Okay. Fine. I came over here. Okay. Done. Okay. Now, what I will do, I'll click this panel. I'll move like this, or I'll select this tool. Over here, you will see alignments. Okay. In Windows, you will go, then you will see alignments. Okay. It's there. Align panel is not there. Okay. Over here, you will see alignment like this. See align. So I am doing center. Yes, this is proper center. You click, see, it has came a proper vertical center like this. You just select this both the things, then you will open, you will come vertical align you want or horizontal align you want, then bottom edges you want, then this is alignment edges. We will use simultaneously, then you'll get to know what are this alignment panel. Okay, so yes, now I'm not sure, this is too thick. Okay, so I'm taking pressing shift button and I'm doing what I did first. I did control transform. Okay, transform I did little bit. I want thin like this. I want, no, yeah. Now what I'm doing, I just press enter. I have selected this two panel. I want center. Okay, or like manually also you can do. Okay, like this I have did. Okay, yeah, this is now perfectly fine. Okay, now I want some image. So first we'll go to our Google panel. Okay, there are 2 3 sites as I told you: freepix, unsplash.com, and there are many 2 3 sites. You can take a high quality images from there. It's loading. Okay, till that will do. Let that panel open, then we'll check. Now I'll put some design over here. So what we can do, how we can do designs. You remember we have open all brush panel tool. So over here, the brush panel tool. Okay, there are different type of brushes as I shown you. Okay, like this, general. Yeah, I don't want. I want some dry brushes. Okay, if I have chosen this, or I'm using this dry brush, I'll select new layer. Okay, now I'm doing my brush size little bit big, like this. Then I'll select some dark color. Okay, now I'll select this layer. Okay, why? Or you want to do on another layer, you can. It's up to you. Okay, like this, like this. I'm just. This is very shabby. Okay, halka sa I want to give touch. Just this is your starting, this is your basic. Don't worry. When you will practice, I'm just explaining you. You can do undo many times. You can check your history panel tool also, which we have learned today. Okay. I want this texture effect everywhere like this. My flow is 55. Okay. I have kept just light because I want some texture effect. Or you can, if you want to increase your flow, yes, I have increased. Now see, you can see the effect. Okay, like this I'm using. See, okay. Now what I will do, I'll take a history brush tool. I'll do a little bit size. Oh god, this is why this is happening, because we don't have uh, layer. Okay, we have just space. So if I'll do, it will mix with my blank layer panel. So right now we can't do any texture. Okay, remember. So what we can do more over here, like this little bit texture I have given them. Yeah, just to understand how we can post, how we are using the tools and like this. Okay, now I'll come to 1 second. Mm-mm. No, it's not happening. Yeah, it's there. Mm-mm. Don't know, due to network issue, laptop has become slow. Okay, so I'll go to unsplash.com. I'm teaching you very basic poster. So you'll get an idea because we have not completed our other tools also. So very basic that you will understand how we use and how we take the things, because from today only we have learned masking. So that's why I'm taking slowly. So how we can create images. For example, I'll take a so here if you have license then you can take, or you can take a free one. Just you have to click over here. For example, I want this image. Yeah, it's downloaded. Okay, now I'll open over here. Will come to open, and wherever you are saving your file in downloads, desktop, you can take from over here. Okay. Mm, so sorry guys, I don't know what happened to laptop, taking time. Yeah, I'll come to this PC, then in downloads. So this is my image. Just open. Those are high quality images. Always remember, always take high quality images. Processing. Yeah. So what we will do. So we'll click a small arrow button. Very slow. Hold on, guys. Mm, I don't know what is happening. Wait a second. Mm, yeah. It is coming better. Very, very, very slow. This software hangs a lot. If it's paid or get due to heavy ramp and all, due to heavy images, always remember. So don't get panicky, ye nahi ho raha hai and everything. Just go with the flow, okay? Oh God, it give problems. Sometimes it happen. It go hangs and everything. So always try to save images, okay? I don't think this is working. Oh, mm, wait a second, guys. Yeah, it's there. I came to quick selection tool. Yeah, it's there. Give some time, it will help. Yeah, I'm doing my breast size little bit big. Okay, as per your image, you can take, okay? Just click. Um, I don't know what happened to laptop today. It was working and why it became so slow. Okay, yeah, but I don't, yeah, like this. Just select as per your need, okay? Now I'm moving to move tool, okay? I'm selecting this and dragging over here. It will come. Automatically, it will create a new layer. Control T, because image is too big. Then I have pressed Control T button. Control T means transform. Yeah. So I'm zooming out like this. Image will come. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Press enter or you can check over here. Yeah. It's there. I'm zooming in. Control plus sign. Okay. Zooming in. For example, I'm keeping over here like this. I'm just giving an example. You have to do best. Okay. Now what I am going to do, over here some logo will come. Okay. Like this. Here you can post a text button. I'm pressing enter. Enter. Okay. Yeah. Now I am taking rectangular shape. Okay, so I'm cancel. Then I'm taking a box over here. Now what I will do, I want fill, but I don't want this. I'll do none. From here you can do none. Okay, I close this. I came over here like this. Okay, by arrow left right you can do. My image is little bit up. Okay, now you want to bring image over. This image is going down, but I want this image up. Click. Okay, I'll click this button. 1 second. Layer. This is layer 3. No. Blending option. No. Why it's not coming? Okay, so what you can do, you can drag over here up. Okay, so my image will be up over here like this. Shadow and everything we will learn in detail afterwards. Just right now I'm just teaching you those tools we have completed. So by them what we can create. You want little bit this bowl should be tilt like this. Halka sa, yes, it's done. Okay. Now over here you can write, this is your text panel tool. This is very huge tool, text panel tool. So we will learn in detail. But right now I'm just showing you this grow tool. This is type tool. Okay. Now take a new layer. Always remember. Wait a second. It's loading. Yeah. This is your text panel. I'm deleting this. Okay. Now I have taken new layer. Yes. Now we'll bought fruit plate like fruits. Okay. Just simple name I'm giving. Over here like this, you will press over here. The panel will come of text tool, or you can press Control T. The panel also will come. Okay. Now over here there are many fonts and how to customize our own font also I will teach you how to download and all. Okay, so for example just you have to click over here. I have clicked this button. Okay, now I am on my text tool only. You can see on my layer panel. So I'll click over here. I want text. What kind of text I want? For example, this I have taken a fruits. Now I want size should be 60. Okay. Never do transform and all of for fonts. Always remember. Okay. So color, I want some bright color. From here I'll pick some fruit color. Okay. And yeah, dark color I want some. It's like this. I'll create, I'll post some panel and everything. I want some space. Okay. So for example, write it 75. It will create a space, a gap over here like this. So little bit what I will do, I'll take a size 48. Okay, it become a small. So I'm on my text panel tool. Always remember. And never do like this, transform and big and small. No. This is completely, I'm doing undo, undo, undo. Okay. So I'm on my original thing. So how you create. Okay, ये नीचे की line what we have done. Over here, you can write address and walk in your Instagram page and like this. And over here, the logo will come. Over here, the text panel will come. The text, what advertising you're going to do, shade, light, shadow. So like this, you are going to create a poster. Okay. So for example, now, uh, 1 second. So I'll give one task to everyone. Yeah, welcome to favorites. Yes, it's there. Okay. We use free pics for photos and everything for mockups and those are vector images. But yes, so we will learn tools also, and simultaneously we are working on posters and everything, logo design, how you want to create. So please think what logo you want. That only I'm going to create in tomorrow class. So think what logo you can design. Okay. For example, I want poster loading, guys. 1 second. I don't know what happened to laptop. Why it became slow. Hold on, guys. Mm, okay, it's loading till that. Hope you understand till here. Don't think what is text panel and everything. We are going to learn in detail everything, but this is very basic thing. How you are going to create your poster. Whenever your client will ask, this is very basic thing. But yes, so how this kind of posters, how what will be the color combination and everything. This kind of things you are going to learn slowly, slowly. So simultaneously now what we are going to learn. So one tool and poster, one tool and logo designing, one tool and whatever we are doing in our class. So like this, we are going to learn. Okay. So hope you understand till here, and I hope you understand masking purpose. So I want one image. Please do masking. It is very important. It is very useful tool. Okay. So please practice the masking too, so then you will learn all the further tools and everything, otherwise you won't. And I'm doing my panel, thumb panel small. Okay, so now you can see over here. Now if I'll double click over here, so what is this my tool? This is my texture tool. Okay, so what I will name, please simultaneously start giving the names. Okay, that this is my rectangular, this is layer one, that's this is my uh, background layer 1. Okay, enter. Search from kind and